Hello, we are the 2023 NAU SAE Aero design team, and here's a quick summary of our past year. The Society of Automotive Engineers, SAE, is an internationally recognized competition between universities intended to provide engineering students with a competitive engineering challenge. The goal of the 2023 SAE Aero Micro Design Competition is to design and develop a small, remote-controlled aircraft that can compete in this year's SAE Aero competition in Fort Worth, Texas. Teams were scored based on the time of flight, payload capacity, an oral presentation, and a final technical design report.
This year, the team underwent a multitude of stages for the design process. The initial tasks to begin this process were to establish both customer and engineering requirements to guide us in our design. Project requirements were obtained from the SAE Aero competition rules and our client, David Willy, professor here at NAU. To complement these project requirements, engineering requirements were established to quantifiably measure our project goals. The focal point of this project were to analyze the four main forces of flight: thrust, weight, lift, and drag, with an emphasis on weight reduction and increasing lifting forces.
The team utilized our engineering toolbox to guide us in the development of this aircraft. To begin, the plane was broken down and mapped out via a functional decomposition model and a black box model. This helped the team design important subsystems to carry out specific tasks. These subsystems include the propeller, wings, tail, fuselage, landing gear, and the electrical components to drive all of these subsystems. The subsystems were also individually analyzed using both computational flow dynamics simulation software and computer-aided design software to assist in the design and construction of a prototype. The prototyping stages range from an assembly of electronic components to manufacturing gliders out of foam. During the manufacturing process of the final designs, iterations of repair and testing were expected to optimize the design.
Once a final design was reached by our team, the manufacture of the final aircraft was achieved using three main manufacturing methods. Structural members of the plane were laser cut using an on-campus resources. Joining members of the plane were then 3D printed by the team to join subsections of the plane together. This was then followed by wrapping the plane using a heat-shrinking aerodynamic wrap to create our aircraft surfaces.
The 2023 NAU design team was the first to represent the university at SAE's Aero Design competition in almost a decade. In addition to passing the safety and airworthiness inspection at the competition, the team recorded scores for both oral presentation and the technical design report. Unfortunately, due to an electrical issue on site, the team was not able to showcase the final design.